What if I told you Google just dropped an update to Gemini that turns it from a simple chat tool into something that could replace half the software you are paying for right now? By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how Google's new Gems builder works, how to leverage it for actual income, and why this changes everything for creators and freelancers who have been stuck doing manual work. My name is Paul James. I teach people how to turn AI tools into leverage and income without needing a bunch of expensive software or a big team. And this Gemini update is exactly the kind of breakthrough I wish I had when I was starting out, living in my brother's garage, trying to build something with almost no resources. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go high level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. So here's the problem most people run into with AI chat tools. You ask a question, you get an answer, and then you have to ask another question and another question, building this long thread that nobody else can use and that you have to recreate from scratch every single time. It is slow, it is repetitive, and it does not scale. You are basically paying for a conversation partner instead of a system that actually does work for you. Google just solved that problem by merging their Gems feature with something called Opal. And I am calling this the automated workflow engine because it lets you chain together multiple steps into one reusable mini application that runs inside Gemini. Instead of typing the same prompts over and over, you build it once, and then you or anyone you share it with can run that entire sequence with one click. Here's how it works. When you open Gemini now, you click the menu in the top left corner and select Gems. The interface looks completely different than it did before. You will see options to build new gems, manage existing ones, and browse templates that Google already created. The key difference is that when you create a new gem now, you are not just saving a prompt. You are building an actual application with multiple stages. Let me walk you through a real example. Say you want to create a tool that helps you study any topic by generating a custom quiz. You tell Gemini what kind of app you want to build, and it creates a multi-step workflow. Step 1 collects the topic from whoever uses it. Step 2 generates quiz questions with hints. Step 3 builds an interactive quiz interface where you can actually take the test and see your results. All of that happens automatically once you hit start. Here is where things get wild. You can publish these mini apps and share them with other people. They do not need to know how to prompt Gemini or understand anything technical. They just click your link, input their information, and the workflow runs for them. That is leverage. Most people never realize this part. The real power is not in using the templates Google gives you. The real power is in remixing them to fit your specific business. Google built a business profile analyzer that researches a company based on their website address and gives you a summary of how the internet sees that business. That is useful, but it is basic. What if you could take that same tool and upgrade it to research 5 businesses at once, then automatically write personalized outreach emails for each one? That is exactly what you can do. You open the template, click Remix, and then you tell Gemini how you want to modify it. You say, let this accept multiple website addresses instead of just one. Make the research deeper and more detailed. Then have it craft outreach emails that pitch SEO or branding services based on what it finds. Gemini rebuilds the entire app right in front of you with those new features added. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. When you run that upgraded tool, you paste in 5 different company websites, hit start, and Gemini goes through the entire sequence. It researches all 5 businesses, identifies their weak points and opportunities, and then writes 5 completely personalized cold emails with subject lines and full pitches ready to send. What used to take you 2 hours of research and writing now takes 3 minutes. Now let me show you how creators, freelancers, and agency owners can actually make money with this. If you are a freelancer who offers any kind of service, web design, copywriting, social media management, video editing, whatever, you can build a free diagnostic tool using Google's Gems Builder and put it on your website as a lead magnet. Someone enters their website or their social media handle, your gem analyzes their current setup, points out what is broken or missing, and then generates a custom report they can download. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. You are not giving away free audits hoping they hire you later. You are positioning yourself as someone who has systems and tools that deliver value instantly, which makes you look 10 times more credible than someone who just sends a cold email saying they can help. When that prospect sees a detailed report with their name on it that took them 30 seconds to generate, they remember you. And when they are ready to pay someone to fix those problems, who do you think they call? If you are running an agency or managing clients, you can use Gemini's Gems Builder to create onboarding workflows, content ideation tools, or client report generators that your team can use without needing to learn complicated software. You build the gem once with all the steps your process requires, and then anyone on your team just clicks start and follows the prompts. No training, no mistakes, no inconsistency. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a quick example of how this plays out in real life. Imagine you are a consultant who helps e-commerce brands improve their product pages. You build a gem that asks for a product page URL, scrapes the page, analyzes the headline, the images, the bullet points, the reviews, and the call to action, then generates a scored breakdown with specific recommendations on what to fix. You put that tool on your LinkedIn profile with a simple post that says, "I built a free analyzer that scores your product pages in under 2 minutes. Drop your URL in the comments." You will get flooded with responses from store owners who want to see their score, and half of them will ask how much you charge to implement the fixes. Here is the part where people usually get stuck. They think tools like this are only useful if you are super technical or if you already have a big audience. That is not true. The entire point of Gemini's Gems Builder is that it removes the technical barrier. You do not need to know how to code. You do not need to understand APIs or integrations. You just describe what you want the tool to do in plain English, and Gemini builds it for you. Now, Google also released Flash 3, which is a faster version of their Gemini model. If you are building gems that need to run quickly or handle a lot of requests, you can switch to Flash and get the same quality output in a fraction of the time. That matters if you are putting these tools in front of clients or using them in any kind of high volume situation where speed affects the user experience. Here is another angle nobody is talking about. If you are a teacher, a coach, or anyone who creates educational content, you can use the Quiz Builder feature to turn your lessons into interactive study guides. Instead of giving people a PDF they will never read or a video they will watch once and forget, you give them a quiz that tests their knowledge and gives them hints when they get stuck. That keeps them engaged, it reinforces the learning, and it makes your content way more valuable than what everyone else is offering. Picture how much easier content creation becomes once this becomes your normal. Instead of manually creating the same types of assets over and over, lead magnets, client reports, outreach emails, study guides, you build the gem once and reuse it forever. Every time you need that asset, you just run the workflow, input the new details, and you are done. That is the kind of leverage that changes your entire business. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.